Marriage! Every year during Lent, my whole family gathers together for this beautiful tradition called Pabasa. Welcome to our Lent Traditions plus Pabasa 2025 experience. Plus one sa langit, bawas muna tayo ng kasalanan this Holy Week. So, every Holy Week, this is our tradition. Since I was a kid, we've been doing Pabasa, which is basically singing the entire Passion from start to finish. Yes, no sleep edition. I grew up watching my grandparent lead this, and now we're the ones carrying it forward. And yes, we take shifts, but not always on time. It was 2 a.m. when I showed up, fresh from a power nap. I knew I wouldn't get any more sleep after this. It was game time. My sister and I took turns, but later I ended up singing for hours. Because no one came to switch with me. Cousins, where you at? And just like that, and it's already past 5 a.m. in the morning. I'm still here, still chanting, still alive, and still waiting for Pandasal. But I did catch my grandpa waking up, and that made my morning. Shout out to our family MVP, Tatay Basho, na sobrang guwapo at macho. Before the pabasa, we also celebrated Palaspas Sunday. We went to church, brought our palm leaves, and had them blessed. As Catholics, these traditions are very close to our hearts. On Good Friday before Easter Sunday, we observe the reenactment of the Passion of Christ. This includes a portrayal of key events such as the Last Supper and more. Volunteers or members of the community participate in acting out these scenes. After the reenactment, there is a Bible reading that focuses on the crucifixion of Jesus, reflecting on his sacrifice. Earlier in the Lenten season, we also had a mass in our barangay to mark the start of Holy Week. Now, here comes everyone's favorite part, the food. After a full night of chanting and no sleep, we gather for a big feast. Dishes made with love by titas, titos, and lolas. It's giving fiesta. Filipino dishes hit different when it's shared with love and chismis on the side. Ito yung nagsasalo-salo ang lahat. At syempre, ang mga pagkain na nakahain ay mga pwede lang ngayong Semana Santa at bawal ang baboy. And yes, Filipino culture means we eat with our hands. I bought ice cream for the whole fam, they asked, and I couldn't say no. Plus, it's literally boiling hot here in the Philippines. Napakainit. Kasing hot mo, kumarege. Literal na tumatagos talaga sa buto. Kaya, ice cream muna tayo, dude, pare chong. Halika dito.
Courage!
And of course, since mainit, ay kailangan natin ng pamparefresh. Every year ay ginagawa namin to. So everyone helped to set up itong inflatable swimming pool. Happy na mga bulinggit nung binaba yung mga materials. Plus, iyak din kasi ng iyak tong cousin naming si Baby Jervy dahil langoy na siya. At paano nga ba nating masasabing Pinoy ang isang tao? Traditions like this show who we are as Filipinos. Eating with bare hands? Check. Giving food to neighbors? Mga bumibisita from province. Fake crying baby? Mga pinsang nag-aasar? Nagkukutuhan na parang unggoy. Sharon! Limited chismisan habang Holy Week season. Diba? Pinoy core talaga. Hope you get to feel the heart behind our pabasa tradition. Let me know in the comments what Lent looks like in your family or if you have ever stayed up all night doing something like this. Till next time, stay blessed, Kumaraj.